Hello guys, today's video is all about Jenkins as a code. So let's get started. So all you have to do is you have to just do few steps and then you'll get your Jenkins up and running. So let's do few checks, basic checks, like just to check what and all we have. So just to tell you guys, we are going to use Docker as a backend over here, Docker plus Terraform. So now before we proceed, we just check if we have any containers running or stopped. Yeah, so after this check, we just go ahead and then what we do is we are going to go to locate the repo on GitHub. That is Shailesh 687 at DevOps for you, and then you just go and open the github.com, and I'll be pasting the link of this repo in my video description, so that will be it will be easier for you to just locate. Yeah, so to just tell you a little bit about this repo, it contains the Ansible playbooks and Terraform files to get this infrastructure up and running. In this case, we just need Terraform over here for this demo. So I have segregated the folder in the same way. So now just let's go ahead and create a folder called JAAC, Jenkins as a code. We go ahead inside the folder and clone the repo. After cloning is done, it's a very small repo. Just go inside DevOps for you, Terraform, Docker, and there's a folder called Jenkins. And this is the place where we'll be working for. So when we actually do cat for this, you can see the descriptions. You can put the variables which we need and manipulate accordingly. So you just Terraform init to initialize the repo and to download the modules as well as the Terraform provider for this. So in this case, it was already there. So now what we do is we just do Terraform plan to see the plan of the infrastructure which is going to be provisioned. So yeah, so you can go ahead and give a look to this. And the third command we are going to do is the Terraform apply. So we are going to do Terraform apply -FN auto approve, just to make sure that we are not prompted. So you're going upfront, you're just approving upfront. So all that's it, guys. We have our things running. So we didn't do anything else. We just did Terraform init, plan and apply. So now we should have our Jenkins up and running. So you can just go ahead and check the port whatever you passed in that file. As of now, I have passed 888 4 times 8. Yeah. So when you do localhost and then that you can get your Jenkins up and running. So now you've got to unlock the Jenkins. To unlock the Jenkins, you just go inside the container. So to go inside the container, you do docker exec it, T for terminal, I for interactive, T is a pseudo terminal, and give a container name and give a shell. So actually you just go ahead and find the key, put it over here, and you're done. So this is the first time, guys, when you're actually installing Jenkins. So maybe when you do the next time, it won't ask you. So now you get create a admin user. This is the first admin user. In this case, I'm going to create a username called Shailesh, and password dot confirm password, and full name being whatever your name you want to, and also your email address. Cool. So when you're done with this, you're ready to go. Make sure you're passing all the validations. Now you have your Jenkins up and running. Jenkins is ready, then you're all ready to go. You just go ahead and just do a Jenkins start. Yeah. So as you can see, this CLI, you have this console for Jenkins. So it looks pretty cool, and it's really a great thing for DevOps and for dev as well. So this is the CI server. So all we are going to do today is just create a small pipeline, just which says hello world. It has one step called build. Yeah, so this is how we do it. We just do a new item and then give the name of a project, and in this case it is a pipeline, and go into the pipeline section and put the code for your pipeline. So it's a small snippet. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Maybe if you want, I can paste this the snippet in the description. Yeah, so yeah, guys, this is how your Jenkins looks like, and you can go ahead and create your Jenkins on demand whenever you want. If you want to create multiple Jenkins, you just change the name of your container, and you can actually have your Jenkins ready. So container name, port number, and your image name. So yeah, so that it's that easy. So guys, like, share, and subscribe. See